Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo's back. I'm back. Yeah, me. I have this 2006. Let's see what I got here. 2016 Kia Soul. This is a 1.6 liter engine GDI. Yeah, me. And I'm gonna show you how to do how to replace the alternator. This guy right here. All right. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit, destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. You know the vibes. When I launch this video as a premiere, you can chat with me. You can you'll see the premiere screen, right? Down below you're gonna see like an icon, S icon. I guess it's the dollar icon. Click that so you can send stickers or chat with me. All right, right there. Show your love, show your appreciation, and that's pretty much it. All right, come with me. How to do this alternator? How to do this alternator in a 2016 Kia Soul. All right. Let's get it. First, we're gonna come to the battery. Disconnect it. Okay, you don't want to get shocked. Disconnect this thing, put it away. Now we're gonna remove the bell with this guy right here. Okay, just make it easier. I'm gonna remove this oil stick, oil dipstick. And unplug this guy right here. This guy right here. Just squeeze it. Now this guy right here. There's a nut right here. I'm gonna remove that. It's gonna be a 12. Right here. Out. Now we're gonna lose this guy so I can remove the belt. Forget about that guy right there. Okay. It's this guy right here. And we're gonna tighten it. So I lose the belt. Now I'm gonna remove this bolt right here. That's gonna be a 12 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay. The other bolt is it right here. You see it right there? Okay. That one at the bottom is gonna be a 14 millimeter socket. It's just right here. 180 degrees from the top. From here. Right there. Okay. Now we're gonna lose this one at the bottom. Now when you lose the one at the bottom, I'm using a 1/2 inch ratchet and a 1/2 inch swivel 14 millimeter socket. And when I lose it, the alternator is gonna move forward. It's gonna lose because the bell is moving it. Now once I lose it, I can remove the bell and the alternator at the same time. And the good thing is that I have a space here. Now I'm just using a 3/8 small ratchet with a 3/8 14 millimeter socket. You see the bolts coming out. There it is. It's about to come out now. It's a long bolt. Now what you're gonna do now is push it forward. You see the belt is loose. Move the belt just like this. Leave it there, just leave it there. So you don't have to work double. Okay? Now remove the alternator. So to have more space, I'm gonna remove this bracket right here. 2 bolts right here. Okay? So I have a space to remove this. That's a bracket right there. This one goes at the bottom, okay? Now we have way more space to remove this guy right here. Here comes the header maker. It's kind of difficult if you do it with one hand. Down there at the bottom. Now that's the old guy, this is the new guy. It's the same thing. I'm glad to come with this. Now the installment go in reverse. Now I put the bolt, you see it. It's easy to put back though. Just wiggle it. Put the bolt in. Now don't tie it yet though. We're gonna put the bracket back. Put the bracket back. We'll put the belt on. That's pretty much it. Now right here to put the you're gonna have to help with the belt, okay? You're gonna have to push the alternator all the way to the front or to the back and mount the belt. Now you're gonna use a little bit of force, okay? Then to mount this bolt, you're gonna have to pry the alternator. Sorry, you're gonna have to pry it like that, okay? Pry it. Put this bolt, tight it. The belt should be tight enough. Not that tight, but now that you set up everything here at the top, tie the one at the bottom, tie the bolt at the bottom. That got it right there, tied it to the mats, tighten and snug it. Now once you tie the top, the bottom, put this guy back, connect the wires. Yeah, me. Reconnect the battery. Don't forget the oil dipstick. Put it back. Now if you touch here, the belt is a little bit loose. The belt is a little bit loose. You can tighten it, make it tighter by loosening this. Loosen it or tighten it, okay? And you feel how rigid is the belt, okay? And you go from there. There you go. All Gucci. pretty much it. Well, guys, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video how to replace the alternator in this 2016 Kia Soul. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Destroy, hate, ban the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle, if you like it, how is it working for you, and all that. Any complaints and all that, put in the feedback too. Okay. And shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for the support. I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, a technician, since I haven't seen that many in the field. Alright. Other than that, when I launch this video as a premiere, you can chat with me. You see the premiere, you see the trailer. You just go below. You're gonna see like a chat setup. You know, you'll see the search box with an icon, S icon. Click that S button, and it's gonna take you to the super chats and super stickers. Have fun with that. Show your love with the super chats and super stickers. Show your love and show your support with that too. And I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. It was Axtuo. Burum. I'm clacking now. Out.